Hey, thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. Well, I'm here among the anhingas and the beautiful wood storks. You can see them behind me, and some magnificent blue herons and ibis. It's a wonderland. There goes an anhinga. Just have a look. I think you can hear the conversation, and my inspiration is to be quiet, to hear the conversation, and to hear the conversation in nature, and then decide what you have to say in your own natural habitat. Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk.